Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily get backup codes on Instagram. Be sure you watch this video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then hit at your profile picture, hit at 3 lines and get into settings. On settings, tap at security and then two-factor authentication. Then first off you need to enable this option if it's disabled at your profile, like in my case, so I'm gonna hit at get started. Then I'll select text message. Now I need to enter a code from text message and hit at next. Now two-factor authentication is on, I can hit at next, and then it will show you backup codes. You should save your backup codes in a safe place, because without this you may not be able to log into your account if you lose access to your phone or can't log in using your security method. You can use each backup code one time. You can also get new codes if this set is no longer secure or if you are already used most of them. So right from here you can tap at screenshot, and that saves the screenshot of this page to your camera roll, just like that. And in any time you can go back to that page, hit at get new codes, and it will change all your codes and make the old codes not work. After that you can just hit at next. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.